Well, welcome back. We're back on the 71 C10. We're trying to get the engine and trans and all that set up. Got it up in there right now. We're gonna get everything installed. New crate motor, 4L60, all the electronic goodies. We'll make it shift on its own, set a household light switch like my truck is. So let's see what we can get done today. Well, there we are. We're installed with a new GM crate motor. Still got to change the valve covers and put a carburetor on it. I'm going to raise it up right now, stick a transmission in it, and get the cross member under it, and that way it'll support itself. But looks like fuelie manifolds are going to clear. Got new mounts and everything's new on this engine. Let's see if we can get this 4L60 put in. And there we have it. We got 4L60 somewhat installed. So there it is. We're gonna have to redo the exhaust pipe. We got new motor mounts, all that good stuff. Starter. We got to run a mini starter. And we've got the new cross member back here drying the paint. Same cross member I ran the 4L80. It'll work 60 or an 80. And then we got some more things drying here. That's the shift selector for the factory column shift. But, well, what else we got to do? We got to get a dipstick. And, let's see, dipstick, exhaust, starter. We found a drive shaft. So we got the drive shaft put in. And that should take care of it. So, we'll get you guys back in here for all the wiring and stuff on a different episode and different day. Get all this Phytech goodies and Dakota Digital boxes and everything. Bunch of wiring. So stay tuned for that. We'll be back in the shop here and probably tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We're going to get some more videos out on this truck. We're going to do LS swap this spring in it and keep a 4L60 and probably drop it 3 inches all the way around for now, maybe 4. But that should take care of it.